Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. This is actually my first video this year. So today I'm in my bathroom because I want to show you guys how I do my nighttime skincare routine. So I literally put on makeup this whole day just to walk around the house so I can do this at nighttime. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into this video. I have my hair up, I'm just gonna roll my sleeves and let's get right into this video. So the first step of my skincare routine is to take off my makeup. Unless you go to bed with your makeup, then that is you, but I like to take my makeup off. So I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, so this is it. And I just use a spatula. I scoop like a decent amount. I hope you guys can see, like I scoop this much. It gets really messy, so I just like to use one hand to like scrub my face. So this is what I do, and I just try and get every single part of my face like rubbed off. I like using this because I feel like the micellar water and the makeup wipes, you go through a lot of them, and also I just feel like this is more gentle on your face. You're not tagging on your skin, so this is really good. So yeah, as you guys can see, look at my face. My makeup is melted. I'm definitely gonna get my eyes, so don't worry. Yeah, this is it. Makeup is melted away. Now let me get my eyes. If you have individual or semi-permanent lashes, I wouldn't recommend rubbing this on your eyelids because it does have oil and it will break down the glue in the lashes. So if you have individual lashes, I would recommend getting a micellar water on a cotton pad and leaving it on your eyes just to take off your eye makeup, and then you go in with your cleansing balm and just go around your eyes. When it comes to rinsing my face, I like to use a face cloth. So right now I just wet my face cloth, and yeah, I'm just gonna wipe this off. And guys, look at how messy this is. This is just disgusting, but I love this product so much. It's really good. So I'm just gonna go around. So that is my makeup taken off, and everything is literally off my face, even my mascara, and that was waterproof. So I really like using this cleansing balm. And also I just want to remind you guys that if you're using a face cloth, just make sure to wash it maybe every 2 days, because you don't want your bacteria to build up and then you'll using it on your clean face. So that is not really good. It's not good for your skin at all. So yeah, if you're using a face cloth, just wash it. Okay, just make sure it's clean. Okay, so for the next step, you can go in with a micellar water just to clean around the perimeters of your face if you feel like the balm hasn't taken everything off. But me, I just like to skip that step, and I'm just gonna go in with my cleanser. So I have two cleansers that I alternate. It really depends on my mood. I either use the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser or the Fenty Total Cleanser. Yeah, both of them get love equally, so I think I'm just gonna go with the Fenty today. I'm just gonna wet my face a bit. So I just squeeze like a decent amount. I really like this cleanser. I just like the packaging of it. It's so sleek and simple, and also I like how you don't ever waste a product, because when you twist it, you can just scoop up the excess product and use it. Yeah, so I just rub my hands together to get it all lathered up before I apply it on my face. I feel like, am I the only one? I can't really use both hands to like do my face. I can do this part, but when it comes to my forehead, I just use one hand. I think it's just normal. I think so. I like cleansers like this that are very gentle on the skin, because there's some cleansers that are really stripping of your natural oils, and that is not what I want, especially with my skin type. I just want something that is just hydrating, so this is perfect for my skin. Okay, time to wash my face. I just washed the cleanser off my face, and now I'm going to go in with my Dermalogica Daily Micro Foliant, and this is a physical exfoliant. I like using this compared to the other exfoliant because those have those micro beads that can give you little tears on your face, but this, when you put water on it, it turns into a lather and it's very smooth and gentle on your face. So I really like this. And also I just feels like it gives my face that good clean that I need. This is the amount I use. I feel like it's a bit generous. So you rub your hands together and turn into a lather. I mean, I really should have wet my face beforehand, but it still works. It still works. Every time I use the microfoliant, my face feels super squeaky clean. Like, I don't know if you guys can feel it, but yeah, it just looks squeaky clean. So that is me done washing and cleansing my face. I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is toning. So I use the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is actually my second bottle. I finished one this morning. So yeah, this is the one I use, and I use it day and night. I like to use this with a cotton pad, but if you don't want to waste product, you can put it in your palm and then pat it into your skin if you want to. But I just like using a cotton pad to apply my toner. If you can, when you're applying your toner, try and apply it like upwards if you can. Sometimes it's just difficult because I feel like I have no movement. I have no coordination with this hand because look, it's just weird. Like, I'm gonna wait a few seconds for my toner to properly absorb into my skin, and I think, you know what, let me just fan my face. Fanning it makes the process a bit quicker. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Estee Lauder Micro Essence. So you can really skip this step, but if you do have it, I'll recommend using it because using an essence only helps the products that you put on afterwards help them to work more effectively. Like if there's any active ingredients in that product, it's going to work even better. So that's the only reason why I use an essence. But also for this, you put it in your palm just a little bit. It's quite watery, like the consistency of a toner. And yeah, you just pat it into your skin. I'm gonna come up a bit closer so you guys can see what the essence does to your skin. Yeah, it just gives it that extra nourishment, that extra, you know, hydration. Yeah. I'm gonna move on to my serum, and since it's night time, I use the Estee Lauder Night Repair. I had the little small tester and I loved it so much that yeah, I just had to get the big bottle. Oh, I think I put way too much on my forehead. Like my skin is just glowing. It's glowing. It looks drunk because it's not thirsty. My skin is not looking thirsty, so it is drunk. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I know this is on the pricier side, so if you're looking for a more affordable serum, I would recommend the Ordinary. They do a really good hyaluronic acid, and also Nip and Fab. I love them for their skincare. They do wonders. I'll leave the name in the description box below, but yeah, if you can't afford this, it's fine. You can get those two and they work beautifully as well. Next is my eye cream. I still don't know what eye cream does, but my sister's been telling me to use eye cream. So this is the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, and yeah, I just use a little bit of it like every single day. And sometimes, yeah, I do see a little bit difference when I'm quite tired. Because it's your eye area, just use a tap-in motion around your eye. You don't want to be dragging your skin. Not cool. And then bring it up on your eyelids as well. Alright, so that is the eye cream all tapped into my under eye. So now, what do I do next? Sometimes I tend to forget. Oh! Moisturizer. For my moisturizer, you guys are going to be surprised by the moisturizer I use, but it's this simple hydrating light moisturizer. And guys, look at the packaging. I really love sustainable packaging. This is it. I just love the design and the idea of this. You just use less plastic. Also, it's 50 ml and you just know you're going to be using every single drop of the product. So I squeeze a generous amount, I mean that much, and that is pretty much my skincare routine done. This moisturizer is super affordable. I get it from Primark or Superdrugs for maybe, is it £1 or 99p? But either way, it's super affordable. You can get like 5 at once if you wanted to. But yeah, I really like this. And again, the packaging, I just love it. So to finish off my skincare routine is Vaseline for my lips. I just have to make sure my lips are properly hydrated, especially because I have like quite chunky lips. They need to look good. They need to. So that's my nighttime skincare routine done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below if you use the same products I do or you do something a little bit different. And guys, if you're wondering what this little dot is, I got a spot on my neck and I decided to pop it. I never ever pop a spot, and now it's just left a dark mark on my neck. I can see it in the camera, so just in case you guys are wondering, okay, that's what happened. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.